ready to bridge your crypto gains to your bank account. This is your ultimate guide to withdrawing from SafePal seamlessly. First, open your SafePal Wallet app and ensure you're on the main dashboard where you can see all your cryptocurrency holdings. Now, locate and tap on the DApps icon. Usually found at the bottom of the screen, this will take you to SafePal's decentralized application marketplace. Within the DApps, you'll need to select a platform that facilitates crypto to fiat conversion and bank transfers. Popular choices include major exchanges like Binance or KuCoin, or peer-to-peer platforms like Paxful, depending on your region and the cryptocurrencies you hold. Connect your SafePal wallet to this chosen platform by following the on-screen prompts once connected. Navigate to the trading or selling section for the specific cryptocurrency you wish to withdraw. Here, you'll specify the amount of crypto you want to sell and select your local fiat currency, like USD, AUR, or GBP. The platform will then display how much fiat you will receive. After confirming the sale, proceed to the withdrawal section, choose the bank transfer option, and accurately enter your bank account details, including your account number, routing number, and the bank name. Carefully review all the details to ensure accuracy. You will then see a confirmation screen with the transaction summary and an estimated time for the funds to arrive in your bank account. And there you have it. Your cryptocurrency is now en route to your traditional bank account, making your crypto earnings readily accessible. Happy trading!